Hi everyone, this is Hildafonse Microsoft and Statistics, abbreviated as HM&S YouTube channel, and this is an introductory video to this very YouTube channel. Now this is how our logo looks, exactly like that, and since this is the first video, it's going to get a unique code, HM&S video number 1, meaning the next video is going to be HM&S video number 2. Then we will go on like that, video number 3, number 4, number 5, then we will go on like that one. Now this is the very first video on this very YouTube channel, and it happens to be on Wednesday, 6 March 2024. As you can also see from my wooden calendar, this is my wooden calendar, and you are going to be seeing this calendar on my background each and every time. That is the date for the first video on this very YouTube channel. Now let's understand more about the name of the channel. Let's start with Hildafonse. Hildafonse is an abbreviation of two names, Hilda and then Alphonse. Hilda is my late mom's name, and then Alphonse is my father's name, so it's a combination of my parents' name. Statistics, because we are going to be doing a lot of applied statistics or practical statistics, and we are going to be using Microsoft applications like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and if you want to do advanced data visualizations, we're going to be doing it using Microsoft Power BI Desktop. That's exactly what the name of the channel means. So let's go on and talk about what will be the contents of this very YouTube channel. 75% of the videos you will see on this YouTube channel will be about two things. Yeah, that R is misleading, but it's about two things. It's either getting to understand more about Microsoft Excel, or getting to understand more about applied statistics, or a combination of Microsoft Excel and applied statistics both in one video. So 75% of the videos you are going to be seeing on this channel is going to be about those two things, Excel and statistics. Now this is PowerPoint that I'm using. I'm going to show you a very important trick when you are on PowerPoint slideshow. If you press B on your keyboard, you see what happens. Microsoft covers your slides with a blackboard, and you can do this when you want to turn the attention of the audience from the slideshow to you, so that you can explain something to the audience. But for now, I'm turning it like this because I want to talk about the remaining percentage. Now, the remaining percentage will be learning more about Microsoft Word, because we always use Word to write our reports, and then PowerPoint always helps us when we are like presenting our data or presenting our information, like I'm doing right now. I'm doing it using PowerPoint, and then some other relevant Microsoft applications as well, we can bring it in. Now I'm going to hit B again to go back to the slideshow mode, and then go to the next slide and talk about keyboard shortcuts. Now keyboard shortcut is key. The reason why keyboard shortcut is key is because it saves up to 60% of our working time. That means if you're supposed to work for one day and you have mastered keyboard shortcuts and you are using it, it can save for you up to more than half a day. In this YouTube channel, we are going to learn a lot of keyboard shortcuts, very many of them, so that we can ease our work and make our work faster. Now I'm on slide number 6. As you can see from the slide number at the bottom right corner. Now I know from slide 7 up to slide 14 I don't want to show it to you. So what I'm going to do, instead of leaving the slideshow mode and then go and start looking for the slide I want, I'm going to type 15 on my keyboard. That is the slide number. So PowerPoint doesn't show it to you, but once you press enter, it will jump up to slide number 15. Now I want to come to slide number 15 and talk about the presenter, who is me. My full name is Francis Ogwal, and I'm from Uganda, and that's definitely from East Africa. And professionally, I'm a statistician and a content creator. Now I'm also going to jump up to slide number 20. I'm going to write 20 on my keyboard and hit enter to go up to slide number 20. Now you need to understand this very well. In Uganda, we have the same English alphabet as those people from USA. It starts from A up to Z. But the person who has been teaching me Excel is someone from USA. And for them, they call Z, Z. There's a difference in the pronunciation. In Uganda, we call it Z. In USA, they call it Z. Sometimes when I'm training people, there's a way I always mix them up. So whenever you hear Z, just know I'm talking about Z. And of course, I'm from Uganda, and English is not our native language. So my accent might not be very favorable to some of you, but you focus on the content of the video as long as you are understanding it. Yeah, that is it for this very first video on this very YouTube channel. We're going to meet again on the next video. That is probably going to be Introduction to Microsoft Excel. That will be HM&S video number 2. Thank you.